But students, I'm going to explain the relation between each interior angle of a regular polygon and the sum of all exterior angles of that polygon. So you find that the sum of all the exterior angles of a polygon is always 360 degree. Whether that polygon is a pentagon, a hexagon, an octagon, a nonagon, a decagon, or a quadrilateral. In every case, you will find the sum of all the exterior angle is always 360 degree. Now, I am considering an example of pentagon. It is a regular pentagon. That means number of sides is 5. So, each interior angle of a regular pentagon equals to, formula is 2n minus 4 divided by n multiplied by 90 degree. So 2n minus 4 by n into 90 degree. So here n is 5. So 2 into 5 is 10. 10 minus 4 is 6. So 6 into 90 by 5. 90 is divisible by 5. 18 5 is 90 and 18 6 is 108. So each interior angle of a regular pentagon is 108. And that line, when it is produced, then it forms a linear pair, a straight line, and then exterior angle becomes 180 minus 108, that is 72. So the sum of all the exterior angle equals to each exterior angle multiplied by number of sides. So here exterior angle is 72, number of side is 5, so 72 into 5 is equals to 360. Similarly, if it is hexagon, then there will be 6, and then each exterior angle will be 60 degree, and the sum of all the exterior angle is equals to 60 into 6 equals to 360 degree. So in this way, you can find the sum of all the exterior angle of a regular polygon is always 360 degree. Thank you. If you like, please share and subscribe.